The offshore industry is moving forward at a quickened pace due to the growing global demand for energy sources and the tight project budget requirements. The rapid pace requires new personnel to gain insight into difficult issues in a reduced time frame. The crash course in the fundamentals of oil and gas offshore industry is self-paced and online. It is designed to provide core and fundamental knowledge. We are starting from how the offshore industry developed to what it is today and where it is headed. The milestones, the tools available for the projects, the challenges it faces, its differentiated needs and regulations, are also considered. We will look at the major players, shipowners, operators, agencies, charterers, contractors, drillers, and their role, as well as its ramifications and how the maritime industry is coping with the engineering requirements worldwide. Participants will also learn about the different types of ships that are engaged in this specialized industry, their main characteristics, and will be provided with a checklist of what to evaluate when chartering a vessel. The course is developed in 4 sessions. Session 1, Introduction to Oil and Gas of the Offshore Industry. Session 2, Vessel Types and Services. Session 3, Regulatory Framework. And Session 4, Relevant Activities and Practicalities.
Learn from experts with hands-on knowledge. Learn at your pace and time. Check your knowledge with the quiz questions per session. Ask questions in the forum. Do you need help? Speak to the course administrator, to the support or education team, to the instructor. Post your questions to the forum.
You will find the information about this course on the WMA site. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@e-wma.com.